Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how you can customize your torch in Samsung S22 Ultra. First of all, where it is. So, our little torch is hidden right here in our shortcuts. To turn it on, we simply tap this once and our torch is working. To change our options, we have to hold it, and here we have brightness level. Yes, it will, there is a little warning. We can customize our brightness if we need to, and it will stay as we set it up. Done. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.